everybody! In front of me is Google Pixel 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into Settings, scroll down and choose System. Now select Gestures over here, scroll down and tap on one-handed mode. Click on the switcher if it's not already on to activate it and follow those instructions. So I have to swipe down like that. Come on, swipe down from the bottom edge of the screen. Okay, so when I do that, come on, maybe I need to hold it. I can see that one-handed mode is now on. It just only takes a little bit of practice. To go back, you can swipe up or click over here. But if you prefer navigation buttons instead of gestures, you can also use one-handed mode. But firstly, I will choose navigation real quick and go back into the same settings. So as you can see, all of those are now disabled. To use one-handed mode anyways, you need to click on this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Choose got it, and now if you wish to use one-handed mode, just tap on this little icon over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!